Hi, I'm Pete from Bobcat, here to talk about the performance you get with R-Series loaders. Knowledge is power. To get the most out of your loader, you need to have the right information. The new R-Series loader displays give you that and more. Choose from a standard 5-inch display or an optional 7-inch touchscreen. Both give you the vital machine information and detailed fault codes to allow you to troubleshoot in the field. Both displays seamlessly integrate with the optional rear-view camera. The touch display gives you even more information. Plus, it lets you make calls or stream music from your device with Bluetooth connectivity. Get the information, get the power with R-Series loaders. Visit bobcat.com for more details.